This is NBC5 News.
Orthodontists call themselves professional wire benders, and now some doctors are bracing themselves with the help of robots. Here's NBC5's Christy Nelson.
Braces are a rite of passage for many young people, and they all want to get them off as quickly as possible. Now there's help.
Instead of getting out of braces after 24 months, they're getting out in my office 16 and 18 months sometimes.
Dr. Kim Travers uses the SureSmile system, which uses a robot to design the wires that patients wear on their teeth. First, a scan is made of a patient's teeth, creating a three-dimensional model. The doctor can then design the patient's custom smile right on a computer.
And from here, I can move each individual tooth however I want it to go. It just allows me to be much more accurate than I can be just pulling back the cheek and looking in the patient's mouth.
The prescription is sent to an outside lab that has the robotic equipment.
There are a lot of little tiny bends incorporated in that wire that the robot will put there, and that guides the teeth to their final position.
Travers says it's extremely accurate.
It's not that we're moving the teeth any faster. They move at a healthy rate, but we are able to plan the treatment so precisely and use these pre-bent, customized arch wires that the teeth go directly from where they started to where we want them in a much shorter path than we've traditionally been able to do.
Kimberly Mahoney wore braces for 2.5 years when she was younger.
It's like going back to high school, sort of, kind of, which is something that I really don't ever want to experience again.
This time, robot-designed braces cut the treatment time in half.
I got into my braces in January of this year, and Dr. Travers has told me that I'll probably be out in January of '09, which is very, very awesome.
Christy Nelson, NBC5.
Does sound awesome. This method requires fewer adjustments, which means less discomfort for patients. A growing number of North Texas orthodontists are using this new technology.
All right, now the turkey is history.